I can make my action.
Abarukuri kibine cha FDC arengorwa higuru erizo abagiraho urukiko okubasa kwajana ibintu binji ebintu no kubarize kuronda karuke 2016 amo no kureba ko barize kurwana sokutina kwagira mu kibina bayimama mbabazwe gita kibina ekiruku gita ebina ebyo biteke birukwa kanisa government echa the Democratic Alliance bayimo kumwikiriza kubegita n'ubu obwire babire bahire mbabazi kuba yayigisira akibineki bubire bwarabireho abahagizaba hona bashaba ngo FDC haure a Democratic Alliance abahagizi ba BSG bajemeresezwa kurwana na norukura ekibine cha FDC arengo rwihanga ryona waswabirwa barokumuzunana kuriyamo ekibine rukwe no kutaho uburyo bwona kureba mbabazi yayigita ari TDA
The person of Amanya Musega is fighting Dr. Besigye inside there, mobilizing other people against Dr. Besigye. So what kind of seniority is this? What kind of anger is this? This is what we would like to do research about. We want to understand Amanya Musega really properly. Is he a member of the opposition or is just masquerading here? Is he a member of FDC or he's just here for a mission to fight against FDC from inside FDC? Because what is he doing here shows clearly that he is just not a member of FDC.
But the other people, let me put it this way. We have not favored anybody, you see. Nobody has been favored, okay? There's a process, and the process will take place. And it's only the summit that will decide who's going to be the flag bearer, okay? And that has not taken place yet.
Bwanyuma abahagizi ba FDC abarukagira kiza BSG kurwana na national chairman abahagizi ba BSG bagaruka batanuka kurwana bonka ecyarugiramo omwe kuferwa engaroye abahagizi ba BSG nibagamba kuba babayirundanira hamwe okureba ngo nibacyokereza office za TDA amo no kutahanse benda ya FDC konkane kigambwa ngo BSG yabahabura okushaza mu kibaba bagendereye gukora Mbabazi ayigisira hari TDA izoba yiri wa katano esabite hwire bwanyuma TDA kongezayo obwire obwabire ayine kujegitaho kwenda ngu ayikirize abe omwaharubu TDA nitekatekwa kurangira omuntu arazwekire ebina ebiruka kanisa government ebyegisiramo omuri TDA amuherugwa sabite gikonka binji batanike kugira ngo TDA ebasa kwinguza mama Mbabazi kukwata ebendera gashakwa Edward Muhumuza.